Hey everybody, welcome back to Bird Temper Tantrum, New Year's Eve special tonight. So, we got everything set. We got the Christmas trees on, the village is on. Order anything from Josie's Tavern, Will's Farm and Tractor Supply, everything in the village.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I got my snowman shirt on.
Alright, let's see it.
What does it say?
Up to snow good.
Ah ha ha.
So, alright, come on, Red. It's time for school. On New Year's Eve. I'm just kidding. Come on, time to go. You're gonna go visit Dad in the hospital. Okay. Alright. After Eddie dropped Red off at the hospital. Red's visiting Dad at the hospital right now. He's visiting Dad at the hospital right now. Ribbit! What was that? Did you hear that? It was like a ribbit from a frog. Should I investigate? I think it came down in the basement. Ribbit! I swear I hear something. What's going on down here? Ribbit! What the? I can't believe this! God, who did this to you, frog? You're a male. You're a big bullfrog with awesome spots. Good thing you're not a poison frog. I think the washer's working pretty good. Better take this cage with me. Okay. We have an emergency. We've got a problem.
Oh shoot, what?
I was investigating downstairs. I looked in Dad's bathroom and I found this frog in a cage.
Oh jeez. What are we gonna do?
Should we call the DNR? They might know what to do.
Okay, go for it.
Someone might be trying to sell these for a fortune. Alright, I'm gonna call the DNR through my headphones. Alright, can you take this? Come on, I want to call the DNR.
Okay, call him.
I'm talking to my headphones.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm just doing that. Do you think the guy's hungry?
Maybe.
Okay, let's see. Are we still rolling?
We're still rolling.
Yeah. Looks like I don't think he's hungry. He's not eating anything.
Well, what are we gonna do? Did you get hold of the DNR?
I'm calling the DNR right now. Thank you for calling Pope County DNR. How may we help you? Hi, I have a problem at my house at Glenwood, Minnesota, 409 3rd Avenue Northeast. Okay, what's going on down there? I heard a ribbit in the middle on New Year's Eve tonight, and I went in and investigated downstairs. Then I found in the basement bathroom a frog in a cage. Okay, male, female frog, a female. Okay, poison, not poison, non-poison. Okay, DNR officers are on their way. What's the easiest access for them to get in? It's through the front or the back door. Okay, we'll be on our way. Thank you. Yep, bye. Oh, okay, I got it.
Okay.
Who is selling these frogs for a fortune? Alright, I'm gonna go to bed for the night and just go. The next morning, What are you doing, Red? Don't you know? What are you doing with that frog? I'm going to sell him for a fortune. What? You can't sell the frogs for a fortune? Are you illegal? You're never going to believe what he just did. He caught the frogs, and guess what he did? He caught the frogs, and guess what he did? He put them in cages and hid them from us. Red, you are so grounded until winter is over. You're grounded for an hour. Just can't believe him.
I had no idea you read books.
Hey, Nancy. How's it going?
Douglas?
I'm calling. Can you call the DNR on Red? We can't have him be doing this.
Yeah. He's over there somewhere.
Hey, he's getting away! Get on the ground! On the ground!
Well, you haven't left.
You're gonna sit here till the DNR arrives. After the DNR came to take Red away to the DNR. You're so grounded, Red. Grounded. You better not do anything like this again. I won't. What am I gonna do with that bird?